The power of structure. Organizing your essay for maximum impact. A well-organized essay is clear, coherent, and easy to follow, guiding the reader smoothly from one idea to the next. Here are some strategies for structuring your essay effectively. Outline your ideas. Before you start writing, create an outline to organize your thoughts and plan the structure of your essay. Identify the main points or arguments you want to make and the supporting evidence or examples you will use to illustrate them. Use a clear and logical order. Arrange your ideas in a logical order that flows logically from one point to the next. Consider using chronological order, spatial order, order of importance, or another organizing principle that suits your topic and purpose. Introduce each paragraph with a topic sentence. Begin each paragraph with a clear topic sentence that introduces the main idea or argument of that paragraph. This helps the reader understand the purpose of the paragraph and its relation to the overall argument. Provide smooth transitions. Use transition words and phrases to connect ideas and create smooth transitions between paragraphs and sections. Transition words such as however, in addition, furthermore, and therefore help signal the relationship between different parts of your essay. Summarize and synthesize. End your essay with a conclusion that summarizes the main points and restates the thesis, providing a sense of closure for the reader. Avoid introducing new information or arguments in the conclusion. Instead, focus on synthesizing the ideas you've already presented. By organizing your essay effectively, you can help your reader navigate your ideas with ease and ensure that your message is communicated clearly and persuasively.